You may know that I'm kinda in the talking place. Lol. So this is my Facebook. That's something I didn't seems to know. For all of you that's watching, maybe gonna watch this video, you may found out this is my account on Facebook. Mostly the engaged lady. Oh, I didn't realize I have been 2 points down back from my followers, and it's gonna suck my life. Scoring down with Marcus Butler. Scoring down again with Marcus Butler's name on it. This is just a YouTube that I'm gonna search about again. Going to UK, my logo, and it's got my stupid phone. It's kinda in a perfect way. It's lag, so I have to stop it, and next video it's gonna be tomorrow, I think.